Dear viewers, today we study the regulation of cholesterol biosynthesis. The rate of synthesis of cholesterol is dependent on the cellular level of cholesterol. High levels of cholesterol and its metabolites control cholesterol biosynthesis by feedback inhibiting the activity of HMG-CoA reductase, decreasing the amount of HMG-CoA reductase by reducing the synthesis and translation of its mRNA, decreasing the amount of HMG-CoA reductase by increasing its rate of degradation. In addition, HMG-CoA reductase inactivated by phosphorylation by an AMP-activated protein kinase retain in this form under the influence of glucagon during starvation. HMG-CoA reductase can be inhibited therapeutically by administering the drug lovastatin, which competitively inhibit the enzyme and hence decrease the rate of cholesterol biosynthesis. This is routinely used for the treatment of high level of blood cholesterol. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.